So today I was asked a question, does a luteal phase defect cause miscarriages? 2 or 3 miscarriages, and that's the history. Now, luteal phase defect is characterized by inadequate progesterone or action during the luteal phase, which may result in insufficient preparation of the endometrium and maintenance of early pregnancy. So that's known. This condition, in fact, is challenging. It has been long implicated as a potential cause of both infertility and miscarriage, particularly in recurrent pregnancy loss. However, the evidence linking luteal phase defect to miscarriage remains controversial and complex. So, progesterone is secreted by the corpus luteum and it establishes a receptive endometrium supporting early pregnancy until the placenta becomes a primary source. Now, if there's insufficient progesterone, that can theoretically compromise on endometrial development, increasing the risk of failure of implantation. Now, what is luteal phase defect? Diagnosed based on luteal phase shorter than 10 days or very low progesterone levels. There is no universally accepted diagnostic standard, and its prevalence is debated. Despite a plausible pathophysiological link, robust evidence supporting luteal phase defect as a direct cause of miscarriage is lacking, and multiple studies and reviews that while luteal phase defect may be associated with infertility, it is not shown to be an independent causative factor. And many women with short luteal phases or low progesterone achieve a pregnancy successfully. Now, some experts believe that a luteal phase defect is a marker of underlying reproductive dysfunction rather than a cause of miscarriage. Like what? Like having abnormal eggs or having less granulosa cells that's inside the follicles, causing lower estrogen levels. So it's one causing the other. But data is again to the big question mark. Professional societies and guidelines do not recommend routine progesterone supplementation for luteal phase defect. And while it may cause miscarriages, you should not consider it to be the primary cause of miscarriage. And that data is lacking. And in fact, doing extensive search for finding out the cause of miscarriage may be an option. Now, remember one thing, 50% of miscarriages are genetic in origin. And that is something which is worth looking at when you're searching for luteal phase defect.